Unlock 20 anti-aging secrets and stay forever young. Are you tired of looking older than you feel? Well, today is your day. Introducing 20 secret tips for anti-aging that will transform your look and make you feel amazing. Tip 1. Protect your skin from the sun using a broad-spectrum sunscreen every day. Sun damage is the #1 cause of premature aging. Tip 2. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Hydrated skin looks plump and youthful. Tip 3. Quit smoking. Smoking accelerates the aging process, leading to wrinkles and a dull complexion. Tip 4. Exercise your face muscles to improve circulation and keep your skin firm and toned. Tip 5. Eat a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and antioxidants. Nourish your body from the inside out. Tip 6. Get plenty of beauty sleep. Your skin rejuvenates and repairs itself during the night. Tip 7. Moisturize daily to prevent dryness and maintain a healthy, youthful glow. Tip 8. Exfoliate regularly to remove dead skin cells and reveal brighter, younger-looking skin. Tip 9. Avoid excessive alcohol consumption, as it can dehydrate your skin and promote wrinkles. Tip 10. Give your face a massage to stimulate blood flow and promote a youthful appearance. Tip 11. Protect your eyes with sunglasses to prevent squinting and crow's feet. Tip 12. Incorporate anti-aging serums and creams into your skincare routine to target specific concerns. Tip 13. Reduce stress through meditation, yoga, or other relaxation techniques. Stress can accelerate the aging process. Tip 14. Limit your sugar intake to prevent glycation, a process that damages collagen and leads to sagging skin. Tip 15. Treat yourself to regular facials to deeply cleanse and rejuvenate your skin. Tip 16. Enjoy a cup of green tea daily. Its antioxidants help fight free radicals and reduce inflammation. Tip 17. Practice good posture to prevent and reduce the appearance of hunching. Tip 18. Use a silk or satin pillowcase to minimize friction and prevent wrinkles. Tip 19. Stay physically active to boost circulation and maintain a youthful physique. Tip 20. And lastly, embrace a positive mindset. Radiate happiness and confidence, and you'll always look young at heart. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on how to stay forever young.